All right, welcome back to the International Finance Strategy. My name is David Merle, and I am your host and founder of the International Strategy Group. So it has been a while since we did an update, and the reason for that is there really hasn't been a lot of great opportunities with the election, before the election, and now. The markets have been pretty unpredictable and volatile, and there have been some places to make money, but overall, it's been a kind of a holding pattern because everybody's kind of holding back, trying to figure out, is this a false flag or not, or is this some place where we can put our money in and it's going up? Because just as an example, Bitcoin right now, depending on how much money you have in Bitcoin right now, you could be gaining or gaining several $1,000s in a day and then losing it the next day, and then back to gaining that loss back. That's been going on for a while, over a week now. Every day it's a roller coaster, and then gold and silver are actually dropping, kind of going up and down, but not doing a lot of great stuff. So that's the reason why there's been some silence. But there's some updates I would like to share with you guys. So there is a cryptocurrency that I would like to bring your attention to. If you don't already know about it, you should definitely know about it. It's XRP, and I'm going to bring it up on my phone here. And XRP is trending right now at 43% growth, and it's been doing that off and on for the last few days and longer than that. So XRP is a really good XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been trending down the last few days, but still, see, Bitcoin right now, it got up to like $20,000 a coin, which was the highest it's ever been. And so it bounced off of that mark, and of course, took a nosedive. And now it's slowly starting to make its way back up to that mark. And if it can break through, then it's going to keep going. But it's got to test that resistance. And so expect it to go up to close to $20,000. And if it doesn't break through, it'll take another nosedive. So I'm telling you this because you see it climbing and then it takes a nosedive. That's the time to buy, right? And then hold on to it unless you're really interested in like day trading, then buy low and sell high, right? So you could probably do that on a 24-hour cycle, because every 24 hours it seems like it cycles through a low and then high and back to low again. So keep that as your information in the back of your mind. So I have some exciting news. So International Finance Strategy has partnered with a foreign exchange education platform. It's not Tradera, it is CashFX. And if you haven't heard about CashFX, it is way more than just an education platform. There is the education side, which is great. We all need to be more informed about the markets, because the markets are a reflection of what's going on around us. Okay, so being more informed of the markets and seeing how the markets interplay with the world and the events of the world, that allows us to have a better awareness of our situation here on this planet, and allows us to have a better situation when we're trying to make money, a better awareness of a situation. So CashFX, it has the education, but part of the money you invest into CashFX goes into a group trading pool. This is really great. So I'm kind of getting my toes wet, and I just signed up for a $300 package, which is the lowest, just for my own research and testing the waters out. And for $300, I am already up $60. Okay. $60 in 2.5 weeks. All right. So those results are not typical, but what are not promised. But what is promised is no monthly fees. This is really a key difference, because a lot of education platforms and any subscription style membership requires a monthly fee just to keep your membership active. And the only way to get rid of that monthly fee is by recruiting team members. So I'm telling you, this is different because they don't charge a monthly fee. You can literally keep your money in it like a bank account on steroids and get 5% a week. 5% a week compounded, right? Every single week. So if you did nothing with it, it would be like a savings account on steroids. Now, instead of requiring you to recruit people into the program in order to get rid of your monthly fee, they don't even have a monthly fee. Now, of course, there are benefits for building a team, and we're not going to get into that now. But I want you to know that if you want a place to put your money and let it grow, this is a good place to do it because there's no monthly fees. Now, there is, of course, going to be a fee when you take your money back. That is very, very typical. Anybody in trading and finance will know that to be the case. So you have multiple ways of generating income. You can either just let your money grow, you can build a team, or if you just keep your money in the program, you will get spillover from the people above you and actually receive benefits from that. So you literally don't have to do anything with your money or your daily activity, and you will make money with this. And another huge benefit is they use Bitcoin. You buy in with Bitcoin, they pay you with Bitcoin. None of the management, the finance part is in the US. You actually need a VPN just to sign up. And this is a really good thing because guess what? If you put in a lot of money and you start making a lot of money, guess what? It's not taxable because it's not on the books. One, it's Bitcoin, and two, none of your communications, none of your activity is done in the US because you're using a VPN. Are there any more benefits? Yes, there are more benefits, but I'm not going to go over them right now. Anyway, so leave me a comment in the description. That's a good idea if you want more information. And I'll also leave a link to our newest partner, CashFX, that you can check out yourself. And if you want more information, I can give you more information. So there is news on our trading trust activities, but besides the CashFX, there is one more update that is very exciting. We actually have partnered with a trust management company that is going to be writing us private trusts that we can use to be the instrument that we interface with the financial world with, and all parts of the world. Anything that is written down on paper, much like an LLC, but a trust is a much stronger document for a lot of reasons, and maybe one of these days we'll go into that. So if you're wanting more information about getting a trust started, we recently partnered up with a trust management company, and they also do business with a trust trading account. But I believe that is probably all the updates I'm going to give for you guys today. Keep your eyes on Bitcoin. What was that other one? XRP. That one's on fire. And Litecoin is doing really good as well. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. Feel free to subscribe and put your notifications on. We don't do videos as much as I would like because I'm pretty busy. And this is just kind of a way of letting you guys know what's up with the finance world, stuff that we're doing. So feel free to subscribe. And until next time, have a good day.